We're here with the Brodax. I've loaded it, and you do that. Sorry, I need some light. You see that knob? You push it forward, and then go up. And then you can slide the mag in with BBs. It only shoots BBs. And there's sights on it, and then on the bottom, see right there, you unscrew it. Well, you pull apart this handle part, you take off this side, and then there's a thing where you stick your CO2 in, and then you use a screwdriver thing attached to this side of the handle to screw it in. Anyways, here's the safety. It's on right now. And then you can either pull it back or just bang, bang, bang. Yeah, anyways, so it's a double motion. So I'm one-handed right now. So, actually, I'm going to switch hands. Sorry, guys. I'm going to switch hands. Okay, hit. Man, I can't see with crap. I think I might be out. Oh, never mind. Got a hole in that snow right there. Okay, I'm out. I'm gonna reload real quick. Sorry guys, I had to set you down. It's kind of hard to hit these. And for the far one on this side, I'm aiming for that one. There we go. Now just for the middle one, I'm aiming for the middle one. There we go. There we go, baby. Okay, I'm out. So there we go. And this revolver, air revolver, it'll give you a good 60 to 70 shots that are reliable out of one CO2 cartridge. So it's like not bad. Actually, it's more like 100. But anything past that, it's just weaker. And you really don't want that. But as you can see, it has power to knock down bottles. So it's pretty powerful. Anyways, see you next time.